be helpful and kind to someone who needs a hand. Today I want to share you one story that I have read from this book. It's called Character Building and Leadership for Grade 8. And this story is talking about a farmer and his wife. There was a farm where lived farmer and his wife. They hold pigs, cows, and many animals in the farm. Also, there lived a little mouse. One afternoon, a little mouse discovered that a farmer and his wife brought a mouse trap. The mouse was horrified and told his friends, the chicken, the pig, and the cow, saying, "I saw a mouse trap in the house." The chicken said, "Run for your life. It's not my problem." Or we call it, "It's not my business." The pig said, "I heard the farmer and his wife talking the other day about buying a mouse trap to catch you. I know we are friends, but the mouse trap does not concern me." The cow expressed her sympathy towards the mouse and said, "I am sorry, my friend, but I can't help you. I can only pray for you." That night, while the farmer and his wife were sleeping, the sound of the mouse trap woke the wife up. She thought the mouse had been caught. In fact, the mouse trap had caught the tail of a poisonous snake. Because it was dark, the woman couldn't see the snake. She tried to pick off the mouse trap. Sadly, the snake bit her. The farmer took his wife to see a doctor who prescribed her medication. The horrible news spread throughout the entire village. One neighbor suggested to the farmer that he make chicken soup for his wife so that she might be restored to health. The farmer took the advice, killed the chicken, and made the soup. A couple days later, the sick woman got worse. The couple and the villagers believed in a superstition. One villager said to the farmer, "You need to offer a grilled pig to our god. Then your wife will get well." The farmer grilled the pigs and offered it to his superstitious god. Unfortunately, it didn't help. The poison spread throughout the ill woman's body and eventually took her life. Finally, the farmer had to kill the calf in order to provide enough food to the villagers who attended his wife's funeral. The mouse watched what happened from a distance with disbelief and deep sorrow. So in this story, tell you that never ignores the problem. So be helpful and kind to someone who needs a hand. So if you ignore the problem, that problem will be affect to you. It's like the chicken, like the pigs and the cow. They are a friend of the mouse, but they ignore the mouse problem, and those problems also affect to them by the farmer. They kill them one by one, and those problems affect to his life, to their life. So in the society, when you live with other people, when they have problem, you have to show your kindness and help them as much as you can. It's like here, be helpful and kind to someone who needs a hand. So as a human being, learn to live together by helping them. Thank you so much and be helpful.